Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the WAMP installation error when msvcr120.dll or msvcr110.dll is missing. This error happens when your system is missing the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable files that WAMP needs to run properly. The good news is you can fix it quickly by installing or repairing the right redistributables. Let's get started. Step 1. Uninstall previous WAMP server. Open the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Open the Control Panel, then select Uninstall a program and uninstall WAMP Server if it appears in the list. Go to the C drive, look for the WAMP64 folder. If it exists, right-click on it and delete that folder. Step 2, install and use WAMP Server properly. Download all Visual C++ redistributable packages. Install each package, run the installer, accept the license terms, click Install, repeat for all versions. I've already installed it here. Once you've finished installing all the redistributable packages, remember to restart your computer. Go to your Downloads folder, run the WAMP Server installer again. Confirm you have all redistributables installed, then click Next to continue. Choose Installation Folder Default is fine and click Next. When asked, choose your preferred browser, for example, Chrome instead of Internet Explorer. You can keep Notepad as your text editor or choose another one. Click Next, wait for installation to complete, then click Finish. Start WAMP Server by clicking the desktop icon. Wait until the WAMP icon turns green. This means it's running correctly. Click the WAMP icon, then select localhost to open the home page in your browser. To access phpMyAdmin, click phpMyAdmin, use username root, and leave the password blank. To stop or restart WAMP services, click the icon and choose the corresponding option. To exit WAMP, right-click the icon and select Exit. Now you know how to solve the msvcr110.dll error and successfully install WAMP Server on Windows 11. See you in the next guide.